Good morning mga palangga. So, I get a Happy Meal toy here, Crocs. Nag-collab sila ni McDonald's. So, I get one already here. Last night, I bought one. So, I'll check what kind of design that I get. So, ito natin. Ito siya, balot. Oh, nice. I get one here. So, dalawa na sila. Keychain siya. At the same time, pwede mo rin pansabit sa bag. Ang cute ng design niya. Nakakatuwa lang i-collect. So, every week naglalabas kami ng iba't ibang design. Every Happy Meal toy, and then inside the box there's a sticker that you can add here para maging design. So ayan, nakakatuwa lang i-collect mga palangga. There's more to collect. Abangan. Thank you so much. Hindi mo siya masusuot kasi puro kanan. Ayan, bye-bye!